my daughter Naraya, and one of the number one questions underneath her video is, how's her hair always been this long? The second question is, can you talk more about Naraya's hair journey? So I decided to create a video today following her hair journey from when she was first born to currently. I used to hate doing Naraya's hair, and I still kind of do, but this is definitely something that I decided to get used to and get creative and have fun with. So this is Naraya when she was first born. She has a head full of hair, of course. Fast forward to about a year, and her hair is like this. And as you guys can see, this is Naraya's awkward stage, quotations around awkward, where her hair wasn't kind of like getting into a ponytail because she was starting to lose a lot of her baby hairs. And at that time, I would just moisturize her hair constantly with the wrong moisturizer, but we won't get into that. And I would just continue to just like moisturize her hair because I hated for it to look dry, and I would just keep it up in like little balls on her head like you see in this photo. And the awkward stage ends from here because when Naraya turned about 2 years old, her hair started to grow out so much. And this is a picture of her when she was actually 3 years old, where her hair was growing out like crazy, and I was starting to not really know much of what to do with it. So I would always just throw it up into ponytails, and of course she would wear ponytails, like, you know, a lot of ponytails every now and then, but I never knew how to do those. So one thing that I always kept in the forefront of her routine though is her moisture. So I always was moisturizing even when I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, so when Naraya turned 5 years old, this is her hair. So her hair had grown out a lot. I gotten a lot more knowledgeable about her hair. I watched a few YouTube videos, and I just started to really love having her hair out. So this 3 to 4 years of Naraya's hair journey, I was having her hair out a lot until it started to get unmanageable to have it out. And on her 6th birthday, as you guys see here, I started to put her hair in protective style. So this is Naraya when she turned 6 years old, and actually I think this is when she was 7, but I'm not for sure. But definitely I was putting her hair up in protective styles, doing her hair in twists, just making it a lot more easier for me when it came to wash day. And I was putting out a lot of videos showing you guys on my YouTube channel how I was doing Naraya's hair at nighttime so they can be prepared for wash day and like day before. Like I was really trying to figure out all these ways. So if you want to go see those videos, you can go back to my YouTube channel and see those. But it was just extremely helpful to do her hair in stages, and it still is. So as Naraya got older, and I got older meaning in the present moment now, this is her in her dance competition. She absolutely always has her hair in a protective style. She barely wears it out unless we're doing her hair, and that's when I try to sneak in a few pictures. And also Naraya is starting to want to do her own hair, so she's starting to want to experiment with her hair, like straightening her hair, stuff that I was never doing at first, but straightening her hair. She also wants to do protective styles every now and then, but I always draw her back like, okay Naraya, we have to stay focused. You cannot, you know, go crazy with your hair because you want to keep health at the forefront. And I've taught her that all throughout her journey. So now she's a lot more knowledgeable, and she actually does her hair now. So now I can sit back and watch her complain and say, Mom, I'm tired. My hair takes too long to get done. Okay, yeah, I already know, but I'm just going to watch you do your thing. Naraya has grown to really love to do her hair. And honestly, she does her hair a lot better than I do. So I'm okay with her doing her hair. But this is her overall journey. And of course, I could go more into depth. But you guys wanted to see like an overview. And this is the only way that I thought to put it together. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you want to see more videos on Naraya's hair, which I know you guys do, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like to let me know that you want to see more content like this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.